Here's our newly done driveway. This is the bottom part, and we got this part right here done yesterday. So it's looking good. We're gonna get started on the front entrance right now. We're just getting ready, getting the HPB there. We got about a yard or half a yard, I mean. So yeah, the driveway's looking very nice. Looking good now. We're gonna start putting some HPB here. We actually have a concrete pad under here, which is really good. It's been here for 31 years, hasn't shifted 1 inch. So we just removed the flagstone that we had on the top. We're gonna add some HPB here, level this entire area out, and install our pavers. You can see a very nice smooth surface.